Hello everyone, ¿cómo es? It's your girl Jasmine. Thank you so much for coming through to my channel today. This is going to be a fun one because I'm actually going to be doing a get ready with me hair edition, and I'm just going to be talking to you, chatting about like my experiences with my loose natural hair ever since I combed it out back in January. And you know, this is just going to be us chatting away. And I also wanted to show you like some new hair products that I ended up buying because I did get a couple things. Not a lot, well maybe I did get a lot, but I'm not going to be showing all of them to you in this video. I'm just going to be showing to you all the tools that I'm using that happen to be new. So if you're interested in that, then definitely keep on watching. Today, I am trying to achieve the perfect afro. Ever since combing out my locks, I have never been able to achieve the perfect afro. I have watched videos, I have sought help from hair experts, and for some reason I am unable to do it. But I'm gonna try today because I've watched a lot of videos on it, and I think the thing that I'm missing is this, like me forgetting to separate. So that's what I'm gonna do. By the way, this is new. This is a satin bonnet that I end up buying. This is my hair. This is my hair. One of the things that I believe is the culprit behind my lack of afro is my ends. I haven't trimmed since I combed out my locks, and so I end up doing that this morning. I end up trimming. As you can see, it looks very blunt at the base. I cut about like 1 to 1.5 inches. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off in the back, right? So I did all of this last night and I made sure that it's dry. So I think one of the things is that you gotta make sure your hair is dry before like untwisting. And another thing is to do only separate one section at a time instead of waiting till you separate all of your hair. So there you go. But my hair, I guess I would classify as 4C or whatever. I mean, I know classifications are bad, but sometimes my hair gets super curly to the point of no definition, right? So that's that. I guess I should have applied. See, I had avocado oil here, and I'm thinking maybe I should apply some to the hair, but I can also do it after. So my hair is 4C. My hair I also would consider to be fine as well. Like, it's not as thick as Chizi Duru's hair or Ijama Cola's hair. It's not as thick. And it's not because of overstyling or anything. It actually runs in my family. Well, I get a lot from my dad's side, right? My sister took a lot from my mom's side. And so my sister's hair is super thick. And she also has a different hair texture than me. I would probably classify her as like 4A. Like, it's definitely not as tight. Her hair type is definitely not as tight as mine. I think she gets that from my mama. I did the back. Now, I separated the back. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but I'm gonna keep going. Right now, I wanna talk about the pros and cons of being a loose natural versus being locked, right? So as far as pros of being a loose natural, I like the fact that I can run my fingers through my hair. As a person who's been locked for 10 plus years, I took that for granted, y'all. And there's just like no better feeling than running your fingers through your hair and actually being able to see some curl when you got curls. Anyway, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. You know, I'm really hoping that this comes out the way I envisioned it, because I want my hair to look like Chizi Duru's on YouTube. And I've been following all of her like twist out / braid out videos, and I'm like hoping that my hair comes out the same way. Running my fingers through my hair, that's definitely a pro for me. Another pro mean, being able to style it so many different ways. I mean, although you can do that with locks as well, styles like an afro, it's kind of hard to do with locks, to be honest. And I wanted to rock an afro for such a long time. If you guys have been following me from back in the day, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, let me not stress too much. Let me just keep going. I'm taking my time. There are some cons though. Like, don't get me wrong, there are some cons to having loose natural hair. You can't just like get up and go if you want to, unless you prepped your hair the night before, which in most cases, I don't. Another con, like, I found that I have been getting a little too overboard with the products. Like, I've been buying a lot of deep conditioner products. Yo, I spent $20 on a Camille Rose Naturals deep conditioner. I haven't used it yet, but I'm thinking of maybe doing a first impressions on it. But like, I didn't realize all these hair products, like, they're so expensive. Like, the one that there's a deep conditioner that I really like. It's the Carol's Daughter almond, like, it's almond scented, and it smells so good, and it has so much slip like you would not believe, and I really like it. That one's like $15. So like, all these things really add up. Like, we spend a lot of money on natural hair care products, yo. Okay, how is this? Okay, there's still more to go. I mean, if you hear noises in the background, don't mind these little mischievous kittens. I'm fostering 4 kittens right now because I'm crazy. It's like 15 minutes they play, 15 minutes they sleep, and then they eat, and then repeat. It's like the same thing over and over again. Like, I'm really trying to understand it. Like, they just got so much damn energy. As far as like cons, sometimes your hair doesn't do what you want it to do. Like, here I am trying to get this damn afro, but my hair, she don't want to cooperate. Okay, this is my, and I really want to so I'm supposed to be going on a photo shoot today, and I really just want to wear my natural hair. I want to wear my natural hair out. I don't want to have to wear my afro wig. Like, I just don't want to have to do that. Hey, stop it. Sometimes your hair doesn't want to do what you want it to do. I mean, the same can be said for locks as well. So, ooh, I'm missing one. Wow. Okay, let me rub some avocado oil throughout. I seen Chizi do this, right? I feel like I need to shape this hair. So right now I'm taking this afro pick, right? Because I've seen she had an afro pick, and she fluffed it, right? But I don't know. I feel like my hair is at this weird length where maybe it doesn't look good in an afro. Maybe I'm bugging, but this part ain't so bad. I just gotta like fluff it, maybe fluff this part, and like, as far as a bang, maybe do a little bang situation, and like maybe fluff. Let's see, like the ends for me, it's just not like I want it to be like rounded, you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, it definitely looks better than what I was doing before. I mean, I guess this ain't too bad, but I gotta fix this, especially with yes, girl, sometimes she don't want to do what I envision, you know, and it's just kind of annoying sometimes. It's like, girl, what are you doing? I'm feeling like maybe I should just like trim. Like my hair. See my hair in the back. Oops, my bad. Okay, girl. Let me see what I can do off camera. Cause this ain't sitting right with me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want this to look decent today. And even though it's gonna rain, like, girl. All right, so this is the best that I can do. I used this afro pick to like fluff up top. Just like getting the roots to come up some. And then I kind of like shaped it, kind of like that. I'm gonna be sure to bring this afro pick with me to the shoot, because girl, I don't know if we're going out sometime. Oh goodness, I think I messed it up again. Okay, this is the look. Maybe I need bigger earrings. Maybe that's what it is. This is it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know by commenting down below, specifically like what you want to see as far as like me trying out a different hairstyle or me trying to follow another hair guru on the YouTubes. Definitely let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you want to receive notifications, then hit that bell icon. That way whenever I post a video, you are going to be the very first to know. All right, that is all for this video today. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.